So the big world side, Liverpool, get a little one love, and the haters start celebrate. Remember now, Liverpool lost the first leg away game in a two-way tie. And some people who have never horse in the race, a jump and a shout, say Liverpool dead, Liverpool dead. But let me say this, Liverpool not frightened for Champions League. A 6th time we win it. The trophy in our cabinet right now. Our priority this year is the Premier League. And here we're going to the Premier League now. Here we're going as they turn into the straightaway in the English Premier League trophy. It is Liverpool piling on the pressure, making a mockery of the field. Now going 10, 15 lengths clear of Man City with a desperate looking Pep Guardiola wobbling into second place. Leicester City and Chelsea are in hot pursuit, followed by Sheffield United and Tottenham Hotspurs. Manchester United and Arsenal are not even in the frame. A furlong and a half to run, and it's still Liverpool with Jurgen Klopp in cruise control. They will have to hit a brick wall to lose it from here. 19, 20, no 21, 22 lengths clear. Jurgen Klopp is smiling from ear to ear. He's toying with the field. This is going to be a rout for Liverpool. Man City might just hold on for a second. The rest of the field is in a blur, but Liverpool will take the EPL trophy and will take it in style.